Depleted uranium, also known as Q metal, D38, and Du, is a toxic and radioactive byproduct created in the production of enriched uranium for nuclear weapons and nuclear energy. It has a radioactive half-life of 4.4 billion years. The US and NATO militaries began using bullets made of depleted uranium in 1991 in the Persian Gulf War, and they have continued using it in every major armed conflict since that time. Du is used because it is extremely dense, 1.6 times as dense as lead, which makes it ideal for piercing heavy armor. When the uranium shell hits its target, it explodes on impact, burning at extremely high temperatures, vaporizing into an ultrafine aerosol with a large percentage of the particles as small as 1/10 of a micron in size. To put that in perspective, these are literally as small as viruses. This depleted uranium dust spreads out into the atmosphere, where it finds its way into water and food supplies, and is inhaled by both soldiers and civilians living and moving throughout the area. Studies have shown that upon inhalation, these particles are small enough to pass through the nose, through the olfactory nerves, and into the brain, where it accumulates. Depleted uranium also accumulates in the bones and teeth due to the fact that the body replaces calcium with it. One of the hidden tragedies of the Iraq wars has been the marked increase in birth defects, nervous system anomalies, and cancer rates. In some areas, birth defect rates have been shown to have increased by 15 times what they were before the war. It's also worth noting that after the Gulf War, thousands of soldiers became chronically ill and have never recovered. This condition is officially called Gulf War syndrome. The US government denies that this illness has any connection with DU, even though soldiers far from the front lines have been found to have large quantities of these radioactive particles in their system.
He has no weapon, no classified materials, but he is contaminated, okay? That's it. Go ahead and step on up here, son. Do not, yes, step up in front of that red line. Alright. We're going to do the boot wash. First thing I'm going to do is step down in here and I'm going to clean your boots up. Go ahead and step in. We're going to make slow, easy movements so that way we don't splash, okay? Alright.
You guys ever seen this before?
Not full out like this, no.
That's how we play. Full up.
Alright, sir, I'm going to have you do 180 degree turn face that way, nice, slow, and easy, okay? Perfect. You breathing? You doing alright? Yep. Good. Alright, sir, go ahead and have you turn and face me. Alright, sir, I'm going to have you step up onto this grate, that way we don't drop any contaminants. Same thing with the vest.